Hey guys, you welcome back to Buy Keys. This is a quick one, guys, on Spintop Airdrop. It just got live as of recording. It says here currently have about you have about 14 days left for this airdrop. So this airdrop just kicked off, so you can join it. Says 702 people participating already, guys. I hope you guys can hear me. So basically the market data for this airdrop is tracked. So you can see the market cap volume. You can see self-reported circulating supply. You can also see the price movement. Then also you can check for price movement timeline. As of recording, it's currently ranked at 3,545 on CoinMarketCap. Is on the watch list of 26,262 users. So basically, all you need to do is to add it to your watch list. Spintop has been added to our watch list successfully. Then what you need to do, this is an $100,000 airdrop pool. So the reward pool is capped at $100,000. Each successful user, will be getting up to 180 spin tokens. So it's going to run from March 15th to March 30th, guys. So you want to take note. Ends at 15 days time. They're giving away now 100,000 spin tokens. On how to participate, said Spintop's vision is to create a single platform that unites the scattered blockchain gaming world, designed as a dynamic GameFi ecosystem where the community of players, investors, and game developers can discover, play, and invest in games, stake and trade their tokens, and share NFTs. Spintop has the tools you need to experience blockchain gaming to its fullest. So as we celebrate our milestone, Spinstarter Launchpad updates will invite you to participate in our $100,000 airdrop simply by completing the tasks below. So first of all, add it to your watch list as the first task. Next thing you need to do is to follow them on Twitter, join Speedup on Telegram, join Speedup announcement on Telegram, join Speedup on Discord, subscribe to Speedup's YouTube channel. Then also you want to retweet the Spintop's video on Twitter, then follow them on Medium, join them on Reddit. Okay, note winners will be announced on our official Twitter channel. Note all bots and duplicate entries will be automatically disqualified, and Spintop is responsible for winner selection and reward distribution. So that's it, guys. That's basically how to go about this. You buy keys, jump on these as soon as possible, guys. If you have any requests, let us know in the comment section below, guys. Peace out, you buy keys. Stay tuned for more, guys.